If you've ever typed out captions by hand, you're going to want to see this. Adding captions to your videos doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, I'll show you how to caption a video in just a few clicks using the AI Caption Generator. This works great if you've already got a short clip ready for Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, and you just need to add captions before you post. First, head over to aivideocut.com. At the top of the page, click on Products and select AI Caption Generator. Now it's time to add your video. You've got two options: paste in a video link and hit Submit, or click Upload File to grab a video straight from your device. Once your video's in, pick a caption style you like. There are several to choose from. Next, select the language of your video for the most accurate captions. If you're not sure, you can just leave it on auto. When you're ready, click Submit. Now sit back for a second while your video processes. Once it's done, take a look at the preview. Like what you see? Click Download and you are all set. Want to tweak something first? Click Edit. From here, you can try out different subtitle styles or fine-tune things like size, color, and position until it looks just right. Click Apply, let it process one more time, and download your finished video. And that's it. Know someone who still captions by hand? Send them this. The link is in the description.